introducing a new landmark in Mumbai's most thriving township. A premium new launch by a reputed Mumbai developer. Located at the heart of connectivity, close to Eastern Freeway and Express Highway, minutes from monorail and metro. Wake up to peaceful garden and eastern views. Live large with 6 feet wide decks and maximize your space. Enjoy life with a 75,000 sq.ft clubhouse, world-class amenities, and a thriving Lodha NCP community. 3 BHK show flat ready for viewing, May 25th. Choose your dream home. 3 BHK Optima, 952 sq.ft Chembur Hills, view, 3.82 crore, 4.31 crore. 3 BHK, 1162 sq.ft Atal Setu View, 4.67 crore, 5.27 crore. 3.5 BHK study, 1267 sq.ft Amenities view, 5.25 crore, 5.93 crore. 4 BHK, 1768 sq.ft Amenities view, 7.07 crore, 7.98 crore. Secure your unit today with an EOI of just 9L or 18L. Experience elevated living at Lodha NCP. Luxury, location, lifestyle, all in one.